Hello, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, so I thought that I would bring you guys in today. I'm probably gonna do a lot of air fry Instapot cooking, because it's so hot. I'm gonna turn on my oven. So yeah, that's what I think we're gonna do. So today we have some ribeye steak. We have some ribeye steaks. And then, so we're going to marinate these for about 20 minutes. Something I concocted over here. So I used a pack of this, Brazilian steakhouse. Can't talk today. And a little bit, like 2 teaspoons of this. And then I use this balsamic vinegar, about 2 teaspoons of that, about 1/4 cup of this, and then I use this wine, but you can use any dry wine. If you can't drink it, don't cook with it. Don't ever buy cooking wines. You need to, if you're gonna cook with a wine, buy a wine that you would drink. Okay? Season these because sometimes people say I over season. So I'm going to take these, dip them in, turn them around like so. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, is that even enough? But after I do this, I'm going to take a gallon-size Ziploc bag, and I'm going to place these steaks inside of the bag and pour a little bit of the marinade. A little bit in the bag, and then I just shake it around, and I'm going to sit it in the refrigerator to marinate for about 15 minutes. Now, if you do this ahead of time, make your marinade and marinate the steak, you can do it overnight. You can do it for a couple days. The longer you leave it, the better the seasoning soaks into the steak. But yeah, I marinated it a little late today, so 15 minutes it is. So here we have the steaks going into the air fryer. Might not be able to get to them in here. Maybe. We'll see. Yep, 2. So you stick it in there. Put it on 400. And the thing calls 7 minutes if you like it medium well with a little bit of pink. If you like it a little bit more cooked, maybe try 10 minutes. But here's the final product of some that I had already done. See, still got a little bit of pink. It was in for 7 minutes. Look good, don't it?